Mosquitoes are more than just a nuisance. They are carriers of serious diseases. According to the World Health Organization, mosquito-borne diseases such as malaria, dengue, and Zika virus affect millions of people worldwide every year, leading to significant morbidity and mortality. In light of these alarming statistics, the importance of effective mosquito repellents cannot be overstated. While commercial products are available, they often contain chemicals like DEET that some people prefer to avoid. Fortunately, there are natural alternatives that can be just as effective. Here's a guide to making a must-try DIY natural mosquito repellent spray for a bug-free home. Why choose natural mosquito repellents? Natural mosquito repellents are favored for several reasons. They often contain essential oils and other natural ingredients that are not only effective in repelling mosquitoes, but also safer for use, especially around children and pets. Additionally, natural repellents can be more environmentally friendly, reducing the impact on wildlife and ecosystems. Key ingredients for natural mosquito repellent spray. Essential oils are the cornerstone of natural mosquito repellent sprays. Some of the most effective oils include lemon eucalyptus oil, recommended by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention as an effective mosquito repellent, lavender oil known for its calming scent and mosquito-repelling properties, tea tree oil effective against a variety of insects, peppermint oil providing a cooling effect and repelling mosquitoes, and citronella oil, a well-known mosquito repellent often used in candles and sprays. DIY natural mosquito repellent spray recipe. Ingredients: 10 drops of lemon eucalyptus oil, 10 drops of lavender oil, 10 drops of tea tree oil, 10 drops of peppermint oil, 10 drops of citronella oil, 2 tablespoons of witch hazel or vodka, 2 tablespoons of distilled water, 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, optional. Instructions: 1. In a small bowl, combine all the essential oils. 2. Add the witch hazel or vodka to the bowl and mix well. 3. If using vegetable glycerin, add it to the mixture and stir. 4. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle. 5. Add the distilled water to the spray bottle, cap it, and shake well to combine. How to use your DIY mosquito repellent spray. Before using the spray, shake the bottle well to ensure all ingredients are properly mixed. Spray the mixture onto exposed skin, avoiding the eyes and mouth. Reapply every few hours or as needed, especially if you are sweating or after swimming. Additional tips for mosquito control. Eliminate standing water as mosquitoes breed in stagnant water, so regularly empty and clean bird baths, gutters, and any other containers that collect water. Ensure that any areas where water can collect are drained or covered. Use mosquito nets if you live in an area with a high mosquito population. Mosquito nets provide a physical barrier that can be particularly effective when sleeping or sitting outdoors. Wear protective clothing. Long sleeves and pants can help reduce mosquito bites, especially during peak mosquito activity times like dawn and dusk. Light-colored clothing is also less attractive to mosquitoes compared to dark colors. Plant mosquito-repelling herbs like basil, marigold, and rosemary to help keep mosquitoes away from your garden and home. These plants can be placed near windows and doorways to act as natural deterrents. Consider using fans outdoors, as the breeze can make it more difficult for mosquitoes to land and bite. Regularly maintaining your yard by trimming bushes and mowing the lawn can also reduce mosquito habitats. With mosquito-borne diseases posing a significant health risk globally, it's essential to take proactive measures to protect yourself and your family. Making your own DIY natural mosquito repellent spray is an effective, safe, and environmentally friendly way to keep mosquitoes at bay. By using essential oils and other natural ingredients, you can create a potent repellent that not only protects against mosquito bites, but also provides a pleasant scent and is gentle on the skin. Give this natural solution a try and enjoy a bug-free home while contributing to your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.